tired, the king decided to depart the next morning. He said, "Many thanks for your kindness to a poor traveler. I have a long way to go. Permit me to leave." मुझे परमिशन दो, मैं यहाँ से जाने वाला हूँ. Looking straight into the eyes of his guest, the shepherd replied, "Thank you, Your Majesty, for paying me the compliment of a visit." The king was astounded as well as pleased. "He is indeed very wise," he thought to himself. "I need people like him to work for me." And the king appointed this humble shepherd the governor of a small district. मतलब जो चरवाहा था, जो अनपढ़ था, उसकी बातें और उसका जो बिहेवियर, उसका विजडम, उसका वॉइस देख के तो राजा ने क्या डिसाइड किया, एक छोटे से जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट होता है जिले का गवर्नर बनाया, यानी राज्यपाल. All thought he rose to power and dignity. The shepherd remained as humble as ever. People loved and honored him for his wisdom, sympathy and goodness. He was kind and just to one and all. His fame as a fair and the wise governor soon spread throughout the country. मतलब एक चरवाहा जो गाय भैंसों को चराने वाला, बैल बकरों को चराने वाला, वो एक गवर्नर बन गया तो ये सभी गांव में फैल गया. तो कुछ लोग जानते हो ना, जो जलते हैं, जो ये करते हैं. Now the governors of the other provinces मतलब grieve and tremble at jealousy में जलते थे उससे of him and began to talk to the king against him. मतलब उसके खिलाफ कुछ ऐसे बोलने के लिए तैयार हो गए. They said he is very dishonesty, मतलब वो ईमानदार नहीं है, बेईमान है. And keeps for himself part of the money that he collect as a tax from the people. वो जो टैक्स लेता है लोगों से, उसमें से कुछ पैसे अपने पास रख लेता है. Why did he always carry with him? They added an iron chest. Iron chest मतलब लोहे का जो डब्बा होता है वो साथ में लेके घूमता था. तो उस डब्बे में उसमें खजाना है और वो जो टैक्स लेता था लोगों से वो अपने डब्बे में रख के चलता है. तो perhaps he carried in it the treasure that he had secretly collected after all. They said mockingly, he was an ordinary shepherd and could behave no better. मतलब एक चरवाहा है, उसको पता भी नहीं कि लोगों के साथ कैसे बिहेव करना है. So yeah, at first the king did not pay attention to this report. But how long could he ignore these governors and their मतलब वो कैसे इग्नोर कर सकता था कि बार बार उसके खिलाफ लोग बोलने लगे. Long could he ignore this? Yeah, endless stories about the shepherd. Okay, one thing was a certain. The king discovered the new governor did carry an iron chest with him all the time. मतलब उसने बोला जो न्यू गवर्नर है उसके साथ वो बैग भी लेके आने के लिए बोल दिया गया.